It's the next generation of powerful blending with the all-in-one, do-it-all Nutribullet Blender Combo, the high-performance, hot and cold family blender. Take your nutrition extraction to the next level. The versatile Nutribullet Blender Combo makes delicious, nutritious smoothies in the iconic personal bullet cups you know and love. But then you can effortlessly switch to the new large capacity, full-sized pitcher for even more silky smoothie goodness for the whole family. It's the first blender ever that delivers Nutribullet's signature nutrition extraction in personal size cups and a full-sized multi-serving pitcher. And it's not just for incredible smoothies either. You can use the pitcher to whip up multiple servings of savory dips, sensational soups and sauces. That's right, the Nutribullet Blender Combo can even handle hot ingredients. It's Nutribullet convenience and versatility like never before. The Nutribullet Blender Combo is also powerful. Some blenders have as little as 350 watts of power. A good personal blender has 600 watts. The new Nutribullet Blender Combo has double that, a robust 1200 watt motor. It also has a special extract program and precision extraction blade that rotates up to 21,500 RPM, giving it the power and engineering to break down the stems, cores and seeds of fruits and vegetables, blending whole foods into liquid fuel in seconds without removing essential fiber. It's so powerful even ice doesn't stand a chance. It's the Nutribullet nutrition extraction and quality you love, now with more power, capacity and versatility. Infuse fun with nutrition and brighten your life with natural goodness through thick and thin, silky and spreadable. The Nutribullet Blender Combo, the hot and cold family blender, does it all.